So Joe, you're doing some tutoring this year?
Yes. Yeah, so we've got, so my name's Joe Cattermole, my brother's Will, and we run cattermoletutoring.com, so we have a website. I'm sure we can add a link somewhere, we have a website. So we do GCSE and A-level physics and maths. We do offer GCSE chemistry, but that's quite niche. But we are more looking for A-level students. Because A-level students, you have free periods, you can do your own work in those free periods. There's a lot more time in the day for us to do A-level students. So if you're an A-level physicist or mathematician and you are looking for a tutor, then please get in touch. We offer quite a high level of support. So say you're doing homework, you don't understand a question, you can't seem to get the right answer. You send us that question, we will write out a work solution and then send that back to you. So you have support throughout the week and the year, not just in your lessons. So when we do the lessons, the most beneficial way is to add to what you're doing in school. So if you're in year 12 especially and you're starting A-level physics, we help to bridge the gap. So you learn something in class, there's no way you're going to understand all of it all of the time. You come to us in our lesson, we then go through it, you then do questions, so you're accountable to do questions yourself. You mark them, understand them, the things you don't understand, ask us. We will get back to you as soon as we can, within working hours and the working week. But as soon as we can, we will get back to you, and then you have that level of support throughout the week and the year. It's especially helpful during exam period when you're doing your past papers, maybe some practice papers from Physics Online, right? If you need answers quickly, you don't have to wait to your next lesson to do that. So that's what we offer. We offer quite a high level of support. We know our stuff, so both of us have degrees in physics. Will has a master's, I only have a bachelor's. Right, but we've both got A stars in.
You've also got a lot of experience working with me as well. So Joe does a lot of stuff behind the scenes for Physics Online, so you know that I know that he knows his stuff.
Yeah, and we were about to release a video on some quantum mechanics, which is quite interesting. But yeah, we've been tutoring for several years now. I've tutored since I was like 15. My friends would come around for science club. But yeah, so there's A-level physics, A-level maths, GCSE physics. Ideally, A-level students that can do their lessons in the day, because we are quite busy. We only have a finite time after school, and no one wants to do a lesson at 8 or 9 o'clock in the evening, and we don't want to work at 8 or 9 o'clock in the evening.
And in terms of people who last year, how did they get on, like sort of people?
Yeah, all across the board, results were positive. Someone said to me that at some point they thought they were going to fail A-level physics, and we only had 2 months together. She was in year 13, she thought she was going to fail A-level physics, she got an A. My brother had a GCSE student who was told he wasn't very good at science, and so he did double science, but then ended up getting 2 9s in his double science. So results are good. Support always helps, no matter what level you're working at. If you have an external mode of support to help you and go through stuff at your own pace, it is vitally important to, if you can access it, then do, because it makes a massive difference.
Cool. So if people want tutoring, how do they get in touch?
So go to cattermoletutoring.com. Link will be in the description and up here somewhere. There is a form, so a page called Book a Lesson. So you fill out the form, tell us what year you're in, what grade you're predicted, what grade you want, the subject, the school, the year, and more importantly, the time and days on which you can do lessons. So they're over Zoom. I will write on I have a touchscreen laptop. I will share my screen so you can interact and look at what I'm doing in real time, and I will use certain websites and bits to help us out. And you also get a free year subscription to Lewis's Physics Online, be that GCSE or A-level, and you get that for as long as we do tutoring for. So that's included in the deal. So we do hour lessons or hour and a half lessons. There's more information on the website, but that's basically it. If you want a tutor, let me know. Also, if you're at university studying physics, please get in touch and let us know how best we can support university students, because the university is very different from school. I'd be lying if I said I could tutor undergraduate physics. I have done some in the summer, took a lot of effort, a lot of time, but you know, if there's high demand for tutoring for physics students at university, especially in year 1, because there is quite a gap between A-level and physics degrees, they may say otherwise, but there tends to be quite a it's a fast learning experience. But if you would like support, if you would like to talk to us about it and see if we can come to some arrangement or agreement where you feel a bit more supported, then we are open to suggestions and input from you guys. So yeah, I hope that covers everything. That kind of covers everything. So yeah, cattermoletutoring.com. Let us know what you want to do, and we'll go from there. So I'll see you soon.
Thank
Bye.
you.